Hello everyone, this video is going to be about how to replace an old hose connector for a one with a new design. This operation can be done with all purple wire connectors, including hoses, temperature sensors and machine. You will need only a wire stripper and a cross screwdriver. I'm going to use an old TSU as an example. First, let us compare male and female connectors of both types to identify them securely. These are male connectors of the old and the new style. And these ones correspond to female connectors. So, after we have chosen the correct part of the connector, cut the old one completely. Peel off around 2 cm of the plastic cable cover and strip the screen wire. Open the new connector. Peel off and adapt the required length of the wires. And put the purple wire into a slot marked with plus, and the white wire into a slot marked with minus. Fix both with a screwdriver. Put on the plastic cover and fix the clamp, and you got it ready. Follow these simple steps to replace an old hose E-type connector for one with a new design and to get a successful result. Follow us on our social media networks for more technical tips.